Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brave browser and enable ad blocking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Brave browser, start by opening your existing web browser. In the address bar, type in brave.com and press enter. Once the Brave website loads, locate the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to begin the installation process. Your device may prompt you to choose between different operating systems. Select the appropriate version for your device, whether it's Windows, macOS, Linux, or mobile. After making your selection, the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Brave browser. After the installation is complete, open the Brave browser. You will see a welcome page introducing you to Brave. To enable ad blocking, click on the menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Shields section in the left sidebar. Click on Shields to access the ad blocking features. Ensure the option for block ads and trackers is toggled on. You can customize your ad blocking preferences according to your needs. Once you've made your selections, close the Settings panel. You are now ready to browse the web with the Brave browser and enjoy a cleaner, faster experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.